So, like we have seen how the tests are executed, how the tests are getting passed or fail, right? We have also seen how we can forcefully fail a test case by simply calling assert.fail. We can fail a test case. We can skip a test based on the dependent method, right? So, if a dependent method is failed, the other test case will get skipped. Now, what if I want to forcefully skip a test? Let's say if I create a class called as test skip, and I want there's a method, could be anything. I'll name it as skip. Now I want to skip this test case. If I write at the rate test on top of it and run this will successfully execute. Right? You're gonna see test case pass. Now I want to skip this test. Based on some condition as well, I can skip a test. I can simply say throw new skip exception. And over here I can write some message skipping the test as the condition is not met. Maybe some element is not present. There is no need to execute test case for that element, right? So you can skip it. You can write a if condition over here. If the condition is true, if that condition is met, then skip the test. This is how you can implement. You can forcefully skip a test as well. So say run as TestNG suite. You're gonna see we got a skip exception, and it says skipping the test as the condition is not met. In the report, you're gonna see one test skip. So this is how you can forcefully skip a test in TestNG. All right.